Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, the high desert, and we are at La Mesa RV. We are going to look at a 2025 Brinkley. This is the 3100. Let's take a look. Now we always like to start at the front, and if you see here, they've got this huge storage bay for all of your bins and things that you use for keeping stuff on the outside. At least that's what we use our RV. I love how it's completely finished in here. You have sliding doors to get access to wiring and plumbing. There is a hookup for a shower here. Really nicely done on the outside. You do have a 30-pound propane tank, and this is a 4-point hydraulic level system. All right, if we're looking up, we have frameless windows. We have two awnings, one that starts all the way at the front of the RV and goes past the door, and then you have another awning that's on the slide. All right, you have your Moride, what I call self-level steps, so it doesn't matter what the ground is, your stair is always going to be level, which I love, and the extra extended handle. Let's move around a little bit further. All right, as we come to the back, they have their ladder mounted permanently. This particular unit has the backup camera already mounted, and Brinkley has a utility hitch back here for, well, whatever you want to put back here. There's also this extra storage compartment. It's kind of hard because it's dark in there, but it's a really decent sized storage compartment. There's some lights in here and power as well. Moving around to the other side, this does have a Road Armor upgraded suspension. They've got a little compartment for your Stinky Slinky, which I love. Speaking of which, there is your sewer connection, so it's real close to it. As you see, your power connection is right here. As we move forward, your water bay is here. I love how they do this, Lisa. The door is split. See, there's a slide here. Most doors are one piece, and it wouldn't be able to go all the way up because the slide is here. So what they do is they take the door and they split it in half so that you have full access to get in and out. You're not having to duck under the door that could only go this high.
I love that.
Right? This is where you connect your water, so your water bay. They got the nice tray here, so any drips go in here and then out this hole down here in the bottom. Your controller for the electric level system, hydraulic leveling system is right here. All right, let's close this up. Here is your other 30-pound propane tank, so you have two of them. Let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa.
All right.
This has a gross vehicle weight of 14,995 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,675 pounds.
Nice.
All right. Moving around to the front, this is your utility cabinet, at least that's what I call it. This is where your batteries are, your hydraulic pump is in here. If you were wanting to mount a generator, it would go in here as well. But if you're not using the space for a generator, you obviously can put more stuff in here for storage. You do have a nice Rhino box pin box. So that's it for the outside. Let's go look at the inside. Hey, we want to thank Scott, Matt, and Ty from La Mesa for having us here. And if you like one of these RVs that you're seeing that we've showed you, give Ty a call. His phone number is 505-615-4052. Now, if you didn't know, New Mexico is a little bit different than most states, and there are some rules and laws and regulation here that benefit RVers. So if you're looking for one, you might find one of the better deals here in New Mexico. If you do, give Ty a call and tell him the tall man sent you. All right, so as you come in, this has a very familiar feel for a fifth wheel with opposing slides, but Brinkley does add their own flair to it. I love how Brinkley is building their fifth wheels in travel trailers and toy haulers for that matter. I feel nobody's building them better than Brinkley right now. So if you're in the market, you really should take a good look at Brinkley. All right, as we come down here, you have your living room. You have two theater chairs, which are part electric, part manual. The manual part is the pull, right? The electric, you got heat and massage and stuff, okay? You do have a little spot in here to keep your remotes if you would like, okay? Catty corner to me is your sofa, which does convert to be a bed. As you see, there's this ottoman here, which is movable, so you can put it wherever you want to use it. It also can act as sort of a TV tray. Probably move it around more like that. And say you're playing a game or something, I like that, but you also have storage inside of that.
Love that.
All right?
Yeah.
Grab that like that, put that down. All right, next to the sofa, you've got some cabinetry in here for storing. And all solid wood, guys. You've got power connections. I can't get that one up, but this one's up over here on this side. So you got USB and 110. There's cabinetry over the sofa, which is a full pass-through all the way through, as well as over the seating here, your theater chairs. Speaking of theater, if you're sitting in the theater chairs, your TV is on a televator. The button is right here. So there's a window back behind there. And so if you're somewhere where you're not going to watch TV and you want good views, you just hold the button and the TV disappears. And then you got great views out the window, which, by the way, are set up for day shades and night shades. Day shades meaning during the day, nobody can see in, but you can see out. And then at night, you just do that, and now it's complete blackout.
Love that.
There's power up here if you need to put a satellite unit or whatever up top here, right? And let's not forget the huge fireplace down there for warming Lisa's freakishly tiny cold feet.
I love it.
Right?
Love it.
Also cabinetry above and this big cabinet below for more components, right? Which leads right into the kitchen area.
Yes, love this. Solid surface countertops. You've got this great big island, a large single basin sink. You've got this tall faucet. Love the gold color in there. Underneath here, we have the built-in garbage cans and paper towel holders.
Nice, it slides out.
Yes, so you can put all of your...
Real wood, guys.
It is. Love that. Underneath the sink, we have huge space. Absolutely. And a bunch of drawers. Now, these two are the same size. This one is much deeper. Over on this side, of course, we've got our cabinetry on each side of our microwave. Below that, we do have a 3-burner stove with this huge oven. Look at that. More of these drawers. And over on this side, we do have some shelves.
It's all soft close too, by the way, guys.
Yeah, it is.
I like this for your spices, right? Laying them out.
Yes, love it. I was checking for under-counter storage because Brinkley is...
good at hiding stuff.
They are very good at hiding things, yes.
You got a Furrion side-by-side.
Yes.
Residential, right?
Here we
These 12
go.
volts. So it works on the inverter when you drive down the road.
As well as a designated pantry.
Yep, and these are solid shelves, which are adjustable, so you can adjust this cabinet to your needs.
Love that. And I love that there's an outlet in here as well. So if you wanted to hide some of those appliances, you can do that. Yeah.
Speaking of appliances, here's a little coffee bar.
You got power there.
Bar,
Mm-hmm.
whatever.
And more cabinetry.
And all solid surface.
Yes.
As you first come in, your controls are hidden behind this door here to put your slides out. All right. And you have another cabinet here hiding your 12-volt panel. And the only thing we didn't cover is sort of the dining area, which is this, which is really neat because they have it set up that it can be in multiple configurations. In fact, Lisa, get real tight here. Let's show them. This is the configuration it's in right now. Okay. And to me, this is maybe set up more like an office.
I agree.
Right. But then this can pull out. And so you have more of a real office desk, an L, right? This can slide to the middle, so you can sit on either side of it for dining, or you can push this all the way to the other side. So it's real neat how this area can convert for your needs.
I love that.
If we get down low and underneath, you can store wine bottles down there and wine glasses. They're just all kinds of neat things they do.
I love their use of space in this. Talk about multi-purpose. This is awesome.
The steps leading up, you can store stuff underneath there as well. That's where Lisa would probably make them put my shoes. All right, going up. Uh-oh. You know what time it is.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
If I haven't mentioned it yet, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as I'm walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. If this is your first time, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so I am sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet. Yeah, get it out, Robert. And as you can see, there is plenty of room for my legs. There's plenty of room for my shoulders. So this is definitely great for the tall. Directly across from me, you still have solid surface in the bathroom with a nice under countermount sink, nice faucet. There's some cabinetry here with some decent storage underneath there as well. And you have 3 drawers. Okay, you also have a medicine cabinet here for all them drugs, right? There's a max air vent here. You've got a few hooks behind the toilet. Love the wood finishing in here.
Me too.
But you also have cabinetry in here for storing all your towels and things.
And you know what? Those are nice, wide cabinets, so you don't have to roll your towels to get them inside there. You can actually fold them.
Yes.
Love that.
All right. The shower is sort of, it's at the same level basically as the floor in here. I mean, there's a slight lip up, but you're sort of stepping down when you're inside here. So the reason why I point that out is when you come up here at my height, I don't even have to be in into the bubble, into the skylight.
I can't even see you.
Right? You could be, 5'9" and or 6'9", 6'9", and be comfortable. All right. If you're going to be 6'9" and be comfortable, even though these screws are not recessed, the way the skylight is, you have full access of the shower. Upgraded shower head, sort of rain shower head. You've got body washes here in the middle, and as well as a handheld wand. There's some shelves here in the front. Got a little shelf down there in the bottom, and another shelf down here in the bottom as well. Or if you wanted to put your leg up, if you were shaving or something, you could do that as well. Also, let's note the LED lights here too, to give you some extra light in here.
Love that.
As well as the skylight is blacked out. So, if you're ever afraid of somebody looking in on you from the roof, well, that can't happen in here. The only thing I don't personally like is the glass doors, but that's just a Robert personal thing. I'd rather have the retractable door. That's just me. So let's move up into the front. So first things first, let's get a measurement on this bed. It's a nice upgraded mattress, guys. This isn't just a placeholder.
It is. Look at that.
It's a 10-inch mattress. It's bamboo. It's a little bit hard, but not bad. This is 70 by, I'm assuming it's 80. 78, unless is it pushed underneath there? Oh, I don't want to give me the wrong size. Yeah, 70 by 78. So an RV King. Okay, RV King, 70 by 78. As you can see, there are no nightstands because you have the RV King. If it was a queen, there would be nightstands. But because of which they've put these sort of shelves up above the window, and you do have USB power up top. To the left of where Lisa's standing right now is 110 power for those CPAP machines. And there's another power outlet on this side, Lisa, as well.
All right.
Down low, it's got a white. You can see it.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
So I'm sure there's some storage underneath. So take a peek at that. Right.
Nice finished storage, so
It's all finished.
you're not going to snag those woolen sweaters.
No. Right across from the bed, you have your dresser, hidden storage, and you've got 7 drawers, different sizes. Above that is a TV, all mounted, there you go. Right over here, this is where you can put your full-size stackable washer dryer.
Love that.
Or you could do a combo on the bottom if you wanted and have hanging up top. Excuse me, but if you're using them for a full stackable, don't have to worry about hanging because you have this really large closet here. And look how well it's lit up, guys.
I love that. And there's power in there, so you can have your vacuum in there if you want. There's cubbies.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yep. In fact, it says cordless vacuum prepped. You would put your hanger right there, and you would hang it and have it fully charged.
Love that. And I love all the little cubbies that they put in. So there's all that extra storage space.
And look at the height in here, guys. All right, so could be 6'7", 6'6.5", maybe 6'7", and not hit. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you're in the market for a fifth wheel and you're looking for quality, you got to check out Brinkley. There's the list price. I'm not sure if you caught it before. It's 110. Well, it's 109.98. Okay, but it's on sale. It's a brand new 25. It just got here.
Yeah.
Like a few days ago.
Right.
Okay. 84,270. Okay. And yeah, if you come over here to La Mesa, let them know. Tell them the tall man sent you. Okay. Until we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.